Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how you make chicken salad, only way. Prep by boiling or roasting chicken until cooked through, then cool completely before shredding to preserve texture. Chop celery, onion, and optional apple finely so every bite has crunch and sweetness. Choose a creamy base like mayo or yogurt and add mustard, lemon, salt, and pepper. Mix gently and taste often to hit the right balance. In this video, I will show how you make chicken salad, only way. Make the dressing in a separate bowl so you can control flavor and consistency before adding to chicken. Start with a base of mayo or Greek yogurt, then stir in lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Adjust tang and salt slowly, then fold into shredded chicken until evenly coated. Chill briefly to help flavors meld before serving. In this video, I will show how you make chicken salad, only way. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep and storage painless, so your chicken salad stays fresh and spill-free when you take it to work or a picnic. They nest neatly and save space in the fridge, which I find really handy. If you want the exact set, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how you make chicken salad, only way. Think about contrast when you serve. Crunchy bread or crisp lettuce balances creamy chicken salad perfectly. Try it in a sandwich, wrap on croissants, or scooped over mixed greens for a lighter plate. Garnish with herbs, nuts, or fruit to add texture and brighten flavor. Leftovers stay good for a couple of days when refrigerated in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.